San Nicolas is getting a breakthrough. 5 groups are interested in developing a tourist area at Cerro Colorado. And in our lifestyle segments, according to a new study, color blindness affects more boys than girls. Also, tourists can upload their memories faster now on social media with the help of free Wi-Fi. 15 on 15 starts right now.
Hi, I'm Ichelle Simon sitting in for Yenterlu. We start this edition with some good news for the San Nicolas area. 5 groups are interested in developing a tourist area at Cerro Colorado. One of them is a Spanish group that has quite a few luxurious chains under their wing.
This group owns the hotel called Bahia Principe, a 5-star hotel that is part of a number of hotel chains in different categories. The government has been exploring this opportunity for months already, and a few of them already visited some of the properties owned by this Spanish group. The Aruba government is convinced that this group has all the financial means to develop the Cerro Colorado area. In the first phase, they will construct 400 rooms, which includes a shopping center, for a total investment of $110 million. Bahia Principe and the Don Diablo collection are amongst the hotel chains this Spanish group owns.
It is estimated to start with the construction of the first phase in January 2015. And continuing on, the Aruba Parliament recently approved a beach policy to regulate the odd situation that's happening along the beach area near the hotels. The government has been working on this policy for 3 years and talking to all parties involved to finally regulate the situation.
The new beach policy indicates that all water sports on the beach and hotels will get all the necessary permissions to operate from a designated area. This makes it easier to control. There is a good indication that some of the hotels on the island are not complying with the permissions they already have to hold activities on the beach, especially on the palapa and chair rentals. In about 3 months, the police will start executing this beach policy, and it is the intention of the government to regulate all activities on the beach the fairest way possible to all parties involved.
The next step is to fix all necessary paperwork and afterwards take a complete inventory of the area. And Aruba dominates the list of the 12 most spectacular beaches in the world, this thanks to Skyscanner.nl.
According to a Dutch website, Skyscanner.nl, Aruba is number 1 on the list of the 12 most beautiful beaches in the world. This list serves as a teaser to help their clients choose between the best destinations to have a vacation. The article starts off in the native language Paviamento that says Bombinina Paraíso. The article describes Aruba's beaches as a coffee table book with glossy cover and big pictures and decorations. Mangahalto and Santo Largo are also mentioned in the article, along with other beaches like Bora Bora, Ladigue, Seychelles Islands, Ibiza, and Lanikai Beach in Hawaii. Skyscanner.nl is a popular website that offers tickets, accommodations, and transportation to its customers. It recently got a Zuver Award for the best airline ticket offer for 2014. This award meant a lot to Skyscanner.nl since Zuver is a very well-respected company website in Holland.
And when we come back, it's tomate time in Spain. And this is also coming up. We start off this local lifestyle segment with the Prime Minister of Aruba and the Bobario team, who resumed the visits to the neighborhoods of Aruba. Recently, he stopped at Nuñe and Paradera to hear what their concerns are and what they need to fix in their neighborhoods.
Residents of Nuñe were happy to see the Prime Minister walking in their neighborhood and shared their concerns with him. Most of them asked for illuminations since the area is very poorly lit along the roads in Nuñe and also around their houses. Another petition was for sleeping police, since the traffic gets very heavy and that can avoid accidents. The sleeping police will also help slowing cars, since usually kids like to play in front of their houses. During the weekend, the Prime Minister also visited the premises of Sport Club United in North to see how everything is going. He was very impressed what the Bobario project is doing for the sporting facilities of this island, especially for this one. He was hands-on, helping the members of the club fix the stands, which can hold about 100 people. Sports Club United has about 125 players, and as of now, they can sit comfortably with their families to watch the games.
Switching gears, the first major study on color blindness finds that certain boys are most likely to be born with this condition. Color blindness has long been known to affect boys more than girls. Researchers found that race and ethnicity also figure into one's risk for developing this disorder. The condition is primarily genetic, and it's important that the doctors diagnose it early.
Research published in the Journal of Ophthalmology looked at 4,000 preschoolers aged 3 through 6 in California. The researchers found that almost 6% of Caucasian boys had color blindness, compared with 3% of Asian boys, almost 3% of Hispanic boys, and less than 2% of African Americans. Girls were much less likely to have the condition. The condition occurs when specific gene mutations inhibit the ability of certain pigments in the optic nerve cells to sense color. These cells, called cones, are found in the retina. If only one of these pigments is missing, a person may have trouble distinguishing between colors. People who are colorblind typically have trouble telling the difference between certain colors categories such as red-green or blue-yellow. In rare cases, they may have a complete absence of color vision and see only in black and white. Red-green color vision deficiency is the most common type. There is no treatment or cure for the condition. Early diagnosis for the disorder is key because studies have found color blindness can impact a child's performance and their ability to perform on tests.
You say tomato? In Spain, they say tomate. And in Buñol, Spain, it's time for the annual La Tomatina festival. It's estimated that around 120,000 pounds of tomatoes are tossed at this annual fiesta, which began in 1945.
World's biggest food fight called Tomatina was held on the last Wednesday of August in the town of Buñol, Valencia, Spain. Thousands of people from all over the world participated in throwing each other with ripe tomatoes in an hour-long morning event.
Yeah, it was good. I would tell people to come back. It was a great experience.
Amazing! It was the best time of our lives. Of my life. Get him in. Best hour of our lives.
From Sydney, Australia, we love La Tomatina. Rock on.
Intense, like nothing else you've ever...
Crazy.
I don't know how to describe it. Maybe just get put in a pot of tomato and just get pushed around it. It was ridiculous.
Copping it in the face.
Look at the face, look at that. Covered everywhere.
This is the fourth time. Every year I came to Buñol.
This is the second year that non-residents were charged $13 to participate, a charge instituted to help pay off debts for the town. We are taking now a quick break, but first a program that helps kids to save for their future. And also, this one you don't want to miss. Marketing Aruba is a priority for the Aruban government these days, and some organizations and government departments are thinking outside the box as to how they can improve the experience of our visitors.
One of the plans that the governments and other organizations are working on is the implementation of different hotspots that offer high-speed Wi-Fi strategically located throughout the island and near attractions like Bushiribana, Casibari, Ayo Rock Formations, Natural Bridge, Main Street, Leño Park, and the beach area in front of the hotels. This creates more possibilities for tourists to take photos either with their smartphones or tablets and share them immediately on social media. The plan also includes the introduction of mobile officers mostly located at the hotels, Main Street, in the area of San Nicolas, and the airport. This officer can give a tourist all information on all attractions, restaurants, and so on, while serving as a hotspot for the tourists to have more access to the internet.
The company PricewaterhouseCoopers came out with a new project called Earn Your Future to help school kids understand the importance of saving for their future. This program is a success in the United States, and now PricewaterhouseCoopers in Aruba adopted this concept and is applying it to the local schools of the island.
Earn Your Future is a project for 6th graders. This program is presented by PricewaterhouseCoopers Aruba, who is committed to help kids save for their future. The concept of the program is an adaptation of a similar program conducted by PwC of the United States. Earn Your Future has been developed by PwC's own employees. The program is geared towards kids between 12 and 13 years of age. Before starting this project, a thorough investigation was conducted with the School Association SCOA as to how to approach the kids, in what language, and how to explain to these kids the importance of saving for their future.
PricewaterhouseCoopers will visit the schools twice. The first visit is to familiarize the kids with the tools they need, and the second time to apply those tools to see the results. And, well, this is it on 15 on 15 for today. I'll see you tomorrow for a brand new edition. Have a nice night.